How are you, Sagar?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Yes, sir, I am fine, sir. Today my meeting is got cancelled, sir. I am in my hometown only, sir.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, sir, because I don't want to miss your class, sir.
Okay. So just wait for 5 to 6 minutes more. Otherwise, we will start. Okay.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow you started at 5:30, no, sir. No problem, no, sir. I entered at correct time, no, sir.
No, not an issue. Why I am started tomorrow at the 5:30 because the candidate is coming late.
Okay, sir.
You are also late, and the Ali is coming also late. That's why.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, and also, sir, I am sending them the request, sir. They are not sending any recorded videos, sir. But previous means our session, sir.
You are sending a request to
Mail, sir, by the mail, and I am telling to counselor also, sir. They are not sending any our recorded videos, sir.
Not an issue, Sagar. Just remind me in the end of the today's session. I will send the links to you.
Yes, sir, and also, sir, notes, sir.
What is the last topic?
Last topic, sir, imaging, sir.
Imaging.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for the imaging, I am not shared any type of notes.
No, sir. That also you not shared, and also how to do that OS bypassing steps. I think I seen in your YouTube,
The
sir.
OS
That
bypassing steps are not mentioning in any notes, so you can see only that process in the video sessions only.
Okay.
But
Means
don't worry
only.
about that. The imaging notes I will send today.
Okay, sir. That and all from starting of that video, sir.
Yeah.
Not theoretical videos, sir. Only practical videos I want, sir.
Don't worry about that. I will send the links to.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually today I have 6 o'clock meeting, sir. I will have the recording of that, sir, and I will attend that meeting, sir, college meeting. Hello, sir.
So in the previous session, we are already created the images. So these are all the images which is created yesterday
Okay, sir.
at the end. And once we are just successfully created the image file, then we need to maintain the integrity of that image file. So how we can maintain the integrity? With the using of hash calculation. There are two types of methods are basically used for maintaining the integrity. Integrity in the means the if the anyone is want to apply, if want to change some type of uh, action, like suppose that they are just doing some type of activity like analysis as well as the examination, and maybe there is a possibility like that particular activity is performed some type of changes intentionally or unintentionally. So at that point, we need to maintain the privacy, we need to maintain the integrity of that particular image file as well as the original evidence. So if the anyone is trying to change intentionally or unintentionally on that particular image file, so that is not going to happen. Okay. So that's why we need to maintain the integrity of that particular image file. So how we can create it? With the using of hash calculation. So for that, I'm just going to use a tool, that is a hash tool. There is a hash calculation tool, and this tool you can easily get it from the open source, like MD5 hash calculator you can download from the internet, like the MD5 calculator. You can easily download this MD5 calculator from the internet, and after that you can just add the files. Even you can also add the folders, but I'm just going to add the file here. Just select the files. So I'm going to select the file, that is C drive, and just select all the files, 22 files. Just click to OK. Open. Now, once you have successfully selected the files, then what we need to do, we need to click to the calculate button. Just click to the calculate. It is going to calculate the hash of the every file, and after that we will save these hashes into the text file. Okay. So again, it will take time. So we need to wait for creating the hashes. So you have a meeting at 6 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Today means some parents and students meeting is there, sir.
Okay.
Every month they will take, sir. So sir, only for imaging FTK imager is there, sir? No other tools?
There is one more other tool. I will tell you like what type of other tool you can use for the process.
Okay, sir. Okay. Because at least 2 or 3 tools are very important, no, sir? That's what.
Exactly. Don't worry about that. I will tell you the other tool also.
Okay, sir. This MD5 calculator is only for calculating the hash values.
Exactly. And after calculating the hash values, we can save these hash value into the txt file. So if any case, like suppose that after the analysis process, then any type of changes will be occurred over that particular image file. So we can easily get the data from there.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. But how to extract this data, sir? Retrieve the data, you will tell later, no, sir?
Exactly. We will discuss about that thing in the later sessions.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Sir, we can decrypt using this hash value, sir.
What?
Sir, means after we are getting this hash values, no sir, MD5 values. We can laterwards we can decrypt this, no sir.
No. We are not going to decrypt any type of hash values once you are created. Don't worry.
Okay.
This is only for matching the hash values. If there are any type of changes will be occurred by the attacker.
And then how to see that original with this, sir, comparison?
With the using of hash calculation, like in the downward, you can see the two like current hash values input field. That is current hash value and the verify hash values.
Yes, sir.
Just pasted both hash values in this particular input field, and after just click to compare. Like this is simple method if and else condition.
Okay, sir.
If the two conditions, if the two values are same, so it will give you the result. Otherwise, it is going to show you like this is not equal, right?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Sagar.
Sir, bootable pen drive video not sent, sir. Still, that you told to send, sir. YouTube video.
YouTube video.
Sir, that bootable CD, sir. Bootable CD. And
Bootable CD.
last time you told no, sir. Bootable USB. That
Portable
cloning.
USB. Okay. Portable USB attack.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, that video I'm not sending you because that video is already created but not uploaded on the YouTube. That's why I'm not sending the link. Once
Okay.
the
Okay.
video is uploaded, I will send the link.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Sir, it's completed, no, sir?
Yeah, finally it's completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what we need to do, we need to save these all the files into the txt file. So now I'm just going to open one txt file. Notepad file you can easily open and copy every type of text and then paste it into the txt file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly.
Sir, just show only one, sir. No problem.
Actually, why I'm just adding these all the hashes because after once we are just going and changes anything in the image file, so at that
Oh.
time we need to analyze the files with the
Okay,
using of
okay,
that
sir.
hashes. So I don't know, like at that time, what type of file we are taking for the
Yes, sir.
gathering information from there, right? So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
I'm just mentioning all the
Yes,
hashes.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem, sir. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಗ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay, and just save this file with the name
Yes.
on the same directory. That is the name of like hashes. Yeah, hash. Any name you want. Save these files. Okay, so this is the first procedure we can use, and the second procedure that we also use, but you have a meeting, right?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so not an issue for then we will continue in the coming session. On
Yes, sir. We'll continue in next Saturday, sir. How to compare and all.
Yeah, definitely sure.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, just wait a minute. I'll just send you the previous session videos. Okay.
Videos and that yesterday's notes, sir. FTK
Okay.
image.
Okay. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
taking a session with the laptop?
No, tab, sir. Tab.
Tab. Okay. This is the first video link. That is the OS bypassing technique link. Okay.
1 minute, sir. I'll copy paste on that. Sir, this is what, sir? This is meet.
OS bypassing.
Okay. Nice, sir. Nice, sir.
And this is the previous session FTK major.
Oh, 1 minute. Yes, sir. Yes. Only video link, sir. Just a minute, sir. I am copying. Yes, sir. I taken that 2 videos, sir.
Any other video you want?
Sir, if possible, sir, previous videos also no problem. Means except theory, sir.
Previous of which video?
I think that I already sent in Telegram, sir. I'll refer that. I will, sir. Now, I want only the notes of FTK measure, sir.
Okay.